Welcome to the next generation of frameless shower hardware hinges. FHC approved hinge installation using our patented recessed factory bonded gaskets. Clean the glass thoroughly, removing any contaminants. Works with hydrophobic coated glass. FHC next-gen hinges have bonded gaskets, so there are no loose gaskets from which to choose a glass thickness. An installer can use either Phillips or Allen head screws for 3/8 or 1/2 inch glass. The screws factory installed in the hinge are Phillips for 3/8 glass. Remove the inside cover plate from the hinge and safely set aside. Position the hinge into the cutout in the glass to your desired location. Next, position the inside cover plate for fastening. Insert the correct screws into place. Tighten the screws to being snug, holding the hinge in place. Begin the first tightening. It's important to switch from one screw to the other for even tightening pressure. Tighten by hand only, as tight as possible. Wait at least 5 minutes before a second tightening. Retighten by hand as tight as possible. The screw will turn about 1/4 to a 1/2 turn. Wait 5 minutes or more before final tightening. Using a torque measuring tool, final hand tighten the screws to 55 to 60 inch-pounds. Now that you have completed the process, you're ready to install your frameless shower door.